Okay, so hey guys, this is my first video. The reason why I wanted to do this, I've seen a lot of videos about this, building your own e-bike. So yeah, I'm gonna try do one of mine. So sorry for my bad English, and as I said, it's my first video. So let me show you. This is what I got right now. I started searching for different kinds of motors, electric motors and batteries on the internet, and actually I found out that this guy here, this bad boy, it's actually made in China, but I bought it from a Norwegian company, probably the same as you can get on eBay. I think I have found out. It's 1000 watts and 48 volts, and it's the kind that you mount on the back wheel with a hub engine in the hub in the middle. What's in this? I have no idea, but I'm gonna show you later when I pack it up. The only thing I'm missing in this whole package thing is the battery. The central thing as the battery. Yeah. So I think we're gonna just start here. Yeah. Alright. Because I need two hands, of course, to unpack this and show you guys a little bit more. I just mounted the camera on the chest mount. Sorry for the if it's gonna ruin the whole footage, but we'll try. Okay, so the first thing I was thinking about was, of course, you need a. Everybody's talking about you need a better tire. You need a tire that won't give you a flat, because changing a tire that with an electric motor in the hub is just a pain in the ass, because it's not a quick release. It's more than that. So I found out that this is the most secure tire you can get these days. It's kind of expensive, I think, but when you think about what you get, it's pretty good. It's all right. So I bought this from on the internet as well. I paid about haven't calculated, but I paid about 550 Norwegian crowns. That's about, I don't know, euros. Yeah, 65 euros. What's good about them? Well, they say they are puncture free. You can't get a puncture, because on the inside here there's I don't know what you call it. It's an extra layer here on the inside here in the bottom that almost nothing can penetrate it and get into the what do you call it, the hose, the tire hose. Well, so that's good, that's cool. Two of these, and I also bought a brand new bike, because I got a few bikes, but I don't wanna well, to be honest, I buy the bikes from where I work, so I get them pretty cheap. So I thought, why not buy a new one? So I just bought well, it's good quality. It's not the top segment. It's just a normal hardtail. It's got yeah, let's see, it says here aspect 670. It's one of the more affordable bikes to have. Yeah, medium. So I'm gonna stop there, and what I'm gonna do tonight is gonna change the tires on the bike, and well, let's see how that goes. All right, haven't gotten that far, but I was thinking maybe I'll show you, if nobody's seen it before, how a bike looks like when they get to the store where you normally buy bikes. Looks just like this. Well, this one is just to lift out, I think. Yeah. All right. Whoa. that one. Goodbye. Yeah. That's just what it looks like. So that's it. Let's start dismounting it. Yeah, I don't know how simple I should keep this video, but you can just fast forward if it's not interesting. Yeah, of course, the bike came with those studded tires, and I don't need those. I'm gonna use my puncture-free tires. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to change the tires. Actually, I heard also when I come to think about it that these Schwalbe Marathon Plus, they are supposed to be a real pain in the ass to get on. So I'm actually looking forward to that and see what if it's true. But yeah. Anyway, so when you get off the when you are trying to get off, take it off the tire, the original tire, it's just easy, simple. Just release the lock ring, release the air, and I know a lot of guys they use just their hands, but I have these plastic tools. What's good about plastic, they don't make scratches, and it's easy to not penetrate the hose on the inside. So just trying to get it inside and feel that I'm not squeezing the hose on the inside. You can feel it right away because it's clicking when you're squeezing it. So I got it inside and just pull it around. It's no magic. I know 99% of you guys have done this and know this already, but yeah, as I said, maybe someone wants to see it. Yeah, so I opened it and took it off the rim on one side, take the hose out. I'm actually going to use this hose, bicycle, I'm not sure what's the name of it, on the 2.8, 2.0 tires. I think they will do alright. So yeah, I got the hose out, and now it's just about using force to get the tire off. Alright. Actually, I'm kind of happy right now because I can see there's as I said, my English aren't very good, but I thought maybe I have to put some tape on the inside here, but I can see to protect from the spokes, the holes on the spokes. They will damage the hose, so that's good. That's very good quality, I can see. All right. Well. Alright, I'm not sure I want to show you if I will struggle with these Schwalbe Marathon Plus tires. Maybe I will record it and cut it out, or just show it uncensored. Alright, just gonna pause there and see you later. All right. Yeah. I'm gonna show you the unpacking of the actual motor and the motor, and I don't know what's in here. I think it's everything about besides the battery. Not excited because I've seen videos about this before. So, wow, that didn't look as much as I thought it would be. Yeah, this is probably the control unit. Not gonna open that tonight. I need this thing, the hub, the rim, the engine actually. So yeah, wow, it's kind of heavy. Cool. So this got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 speed. Well, that actually fits, but I'm really amazed about the weight. I don't know how much it weighs, but well, I wasn't expecting it to be lightweight, but that's cool. I'm gonna mount the, I just mounted the new tire on the front wheel, so I'm gonna do the other one on that one. And well, yeah, that was a bag here as well. Yeah, that's probably for the control unit. Yeah, this is for all the wires for section. All right, that's about it. See you later. All right, so one of the things I noticed, it's probably really easy to forget. I was almost forgetting it, or a guy at work that worked with bicycles reminded me today actually about this thing here. Yeah, this is the inside of the rim, and it's not supposed to be like empty. There's supposed to be something here. I wish I could show you on the other tire, but I have already mounted it. So, but there's supposed to be like a protection for the hose here, because you see those holes for the spokes. The holes will fill the spokes and these holes, and it will really easily get punctured. So the solution is you can buy this well, it's kind of tape plastic band. You can buy it almost everywhere on a normal bicycle shop, or I don't know, your local store that sells I don't know, what do you call it, athletic things. But my solution this evening is this. I don't know what you call it in English. We call it directly translated, electrician tape. It's like really rubbery and it's stretchable. So just 2 rounds of this, make a hole for where the valve is going, and you're set. All right, so just a quick video, but what I've done now, well, I don't know what the big fuss was about these tires, these Schwalbe Marathon Plus. Maybe I got another version, because with softer walls, or the whole build-up of the tire is just totally different from last year or previous years. Because as you saw on the quick video, no force needed, no tools. I mean, I changed a lot of tires before, threaded ones, and I mean terrain tires, and especially these Continental tires. They are so hard to get on, and these were just, I don't know, walk in the park. So that's good news, new tires. The only thing I noticed is the rim, not the well, I don't know, it's a different build setup or built from the original one, because it's much higher. this edge here is much higher, so the valve on the hose is a little bit, well, of course, well, it's too short, you know. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna change the hose. You can get hoses with a lot longer valves, because right now I'm pretty sure, because it's steep wall, it's pretty what should I say, there's a lot of pressure down here right now. It's probably not good for the hose, but all right, I mean it's weak, and I'm not gonna do anything about it and right now, and it's all about mounting stuff and finding stuff out. And this is one of the, all right, I'm gonna put the brake disc on from the other back wheel, the original, not this one but the other one, and put the bike together and mount the tires, and that's about it. I'm gonna work tomorrow, so as I said, there's no stress with this project. I'm just gonna give it some time. All right, thanks. So guys, this is what I got done yesterday. I just actually assembled the bike and put the tires on. They look really sweet, these Schwalbe Marathon Plus. The friction will be really nice, and it's like 100% city tires. I like it. I never tried it before, so I'm excited about that. I mounted the what do you call it? The electric box. That's the controller, or well, adapter. I don't know what you call it. The power from the wheel goes up here, and then you can see on the display here. So sorry, because I don't know the word in English. I put on some lighting. It's, as I said, really cheap eBay stuff. I think I paid like $350. The backlight is okay. The front light is just silly, cheap looking stuff. I'm gonna put double-sided tape to make it. I mean, the lighting here is not for to make my view better. It's just for my own safety, considering other cars, stuff like that in the traffic. So it's just to be seen, you know. So the price, no problem, because maybe if the light here where I live in the summers, the sun is almost never going down here in the summer. So yeah, that's my thinking about the lighting. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do tonight is open this box that I got with the package. It's probably the controller, or not. Yeah, it's the LCD screen, the controller, and the power controller, what you call it in English. That's gonna sit up here, and I'm gonna see if I can start mounting it. I'm gonna see if I can show you this, guys. I had to mount the wheel with the connection pointing down. I read somewhere that it's supposed to be up, but for some reason I don't remember right now, I had to put it like that so it's pointing down. The problem is you get a lot of water splashing up, stuff like that. Well, on the other side you get rain from above. I mean, I mean, can it take it? Isn't it waterproof at all? So what I'm gonna do is just gonna put a lot of silicone in here. Not a lot, but just to make it a little bit more safe. Of course, it's electric, so probably rust, stuff like that will do some damage when water comes in there. So no more talking from me. I'm gonna open this bag. Not gonna put on fenders tonight. I'm gonna fill up the tires good, and that's tonight's work. All right, let's see what we got in the box here. Whoa, got some impacts here. Hope it's not damaged, all the way from China. Some Okay. Yeah, this is the controller box. Wow. Ooh, ah. Oh, everything is already connected, so I'm not gonna mess with that. I'm just gonna unpack it from the box, and I hope there is some description, or you know, what do you call it? Instructions in here, because I don't know. It's just, I'm so new to this. I'm not very good with electric stuff. I like repairing and mechanics. That's what I like. Well, here it says what I got: brushless DC motor controller. So that's the word I'm looking for. Yep. I'm not sure, but I actually think I'm gonna mount everything. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna use these handles. As I understand, they just cut the power for the motor. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I just mount everything because it's easier to just take it off instead of crashing. Because as I understand, if you don't mount these, you have to control the power from the LCD screen. When you want to stop, you just, well, I'm gonna find it out. It's okay. Okay, so maybe, wait a second. I got an LCD screen. This says sensor. I don't know. Yeah, well, I was wrong. Here it is. Yeah, as I expected, and other pictures I've seen. Well, thank you. No, it's just the instruction book for the LCD screen. Oh, this sucks. Alright, but in other videos I've seen, it's just plug and play, so I'm not gonna make it difficult. There's the screen. Yeah, I wasn't sure that it was a thumb throttle or a twist throttle, but I like this. I like this a lot. I wanted that instead of this thumb throttle, so that's cool. All right, that's the unpacking of the last box.